Dear students, good morning. Now, this is time for your biology class. Are you ready? Children, do you remember what did we study in the last class? Yeah, that's correct. We studied about microorganisms. Can you say what are microorganisms? Yes, you're right. Microorganisms are too small and cannot be seen through our naked eyes. Do you remember how many groups of microorganisms we studied? Very good. There are 5 groups of microorganisms. They are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. In the last class, we studied about virus and bacteria. Now let us come to the topic. Children, have you ever seen mushrooms? Do you know what is a mushroom? Which group they belong to? Yeah, they belong to a group of plants called fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms. Eukaryotic means cells with proper nucleus. Fungi are plants without chlorophyll, that is, non-green plants. They cannot prepare their own food by photosynthesis. They may be unicellular or multicellular. They belong to a kingdom called Monera. Study of fungi is called Mycology. Now let us see about unicellular fungi. Unicellular fungi are made up of single cell. They are microscopic in nature. Example, yeast. Now let us see the cell structure of yeast. Yeast is oval in shape. It contains cell wall, cell membrane, and nucleus. The cytoplasm contains large vacuole, organelles, glycogen, and oil globules. Can you see these structures in the diagram? Cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, mitochondria, and vacuoles. You can see in this picture. The living structures found in the cytoplasm are called organelles. Organelles are ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, etc. The glycogen and oil globules are stored food materials in yeast cell. Yeast respires without oxygen. That is called anaerobic respiration. They reproduce by a process called budding. In this picture, you can see a small projection in yeast cell. It grows and develops into a new yeast cell. Now we will see about multicellular fungi. Multicellular fungi are found in the wet soil in shaded place during rainy season. The multicellular fungi are made up of many cells. They are macroscopic in nature. Example, mushroom. The mushroom shows four different parts. They are an umbrella-shaped structure called fruiting body. Under the umbrella shape, the slit-like structures called gills. The plant body of fungi is called mycelium. The mycelium is made up of thin thread-like structures called hyphae. Hyphae are made up of substances called chitin and cellulose. They are used for transportation of nutrients. They reproduce by a process called fragmentation or spore formation. Fragmentation means the plant body break into many pieces and each one grow into new plant. Spores are microscopic structure formed from fruiting body and grow into a new plant when fall on the suitable place. We know that fungi cannot prepare their own food because they are non-green plants. Then, how do they get their food? Based on the mode of nutrition, fungi are grouped into three types. They are saprophytes, parasites, and symbionts. Saprophytes. Saprophytes get their nutrients from dead and decaying plants and animals. Example, Rhizopus, Agaricus, etc. Parasites get their food from other living hosts, that is, host cell. Example, Puccinia, Albuga, Astilago. The symbionts get their nutrients from roots of vascular plants. Children, have you ever seen green color surface covering on the water bodies such as pond or lake? What they are? They are nothing but algae. The general characteristics of algae are they are very simple plants found in water and moist places. They are eukaryotic plants. Their size varies from 1 micron to 50 meters. They contain chlorophyll, so they can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. So they are called autotrophs. Study of algae is called algology or phycology. Algae may be unicellular or multicellular. Some algae may be unicellular and others may be multicellular. Unicellular algae are microscopic. Example, Chlamydomonas. It exhibits in different shapes. The multicellular algae are macroscopic. They are filamentous and branched. Filamentous means like a ribbon. Now, we will see the cell structure of a Chlamydomonas. They are simple unicellular, motile and freshwater form. They are oval in shape or sometimes spherical or pyriform. They are found in ponds, ditches and water tanks. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. The chloroplast is cup-shaped. The nucleus is found in the cavity of the cup. Cytoplasm is found between cell wall and chloroplast. Pigments means colored substance. Usually, plants contain green color pigment called chlorophyll, used for photosynthesis. But algae contain different colored pigments for photosynthesis. They are brown color pigment called fucoxanthin, yellow color pigment called xanthophyll, red color pigment called phycoerythrin, blue color pigment called phycocyanin. The green algae contain chlorophyll. The brown algae contain fucoxanthin. The yellow color algae contain xanthophyll. The red algae contain phycoerythrin and the blue color algae contain phycocyanin. Now we come to the end of the class. Till now we have learnt about two groups of plants called fungi and algae. Here two diagrams are given. Look at the pictures, draw and label. Next class I'll see you again. Thank you.